This is Jeff with Honest Abe Log Homes. I would like to invite you to our October 11th log raising demonstration and plant tour here in Moss, Tennessee at our national headquarters. Here you'll be able to meet our staff and all our people. We will have a seminar to talk about our different log systems, our wall systems, and roof systems. We'll talk about all our portions of our log home packages and the services we offer. We will feed you lunch and also conclude later in the day with a manufacturing facility tour where we mill these homes. And so we'd like to invite you. You get to sit down and meet with draftspeople if necessary, and meet all the fine folks here at Honest Abe. So we would like to invite you. Please RSVP with your local sales representative, or just call our 800 number, email us here at Honest Abe Log Homes. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.